Hello, I'm Jason Appleyard. This isn't a video I wanted to make, but after years of silence, more than 2 years of silence, failed attempts at private resolution, and repeated reputational attacks, it's now necessary. Because the truth needs to be heard. I was once listed on a website called Find a McKenzie Friend. It's a public-facing legal support directory for people looking for lay representation. McKenzie Friend support, basically. Over time, a number of false, malicious, and damaging reviews appeared under my profile. Reviews were not only untrue, but in some cases outright defamatory. These weren't reviews from clients. They were coordinated anonymous attacks. And they had consequences. Lost business, reputational damage, and ongoing stress. I didn't respond with anger. I followed the proper route. I submitted emails, requested reviews be investigated or removed. I offered evidence. I chased, followed up, escalated again and again. For years, I was ignored. No investigation, no reply, no offer of resolution, not even a phone call. They were more than happy to profit from my presence on their site. But when I asked for basic accountability, nothing. So I made the only decision left I could make. I closed my account. I cut ties completely. And then, after years of trying to resolve it privately, I published a video. A calm, factual, and honest account of what I experienced. Nothing exaggerated, nothing malicious, just the truth. Within weeks, days of that video going live, after years of ignoring me, they suddenly responded. Not with an apology, not with an offer to discuss it, but with a cease-and-desist letter, accusing me of harassment and defamation. Let that sink in for a minute. Harassment and defamation. That platform, the platform that refused to remove false defamatory reviews about me for years, now wants to silence me when I finally speak up. That's not just ironic, it's pathetic. And it tells you everything you need to know about how they operate. Let me be very clear. I have documented evidence of my attempts to resolve this. I have screenshots, emails, a full timeline of events. I have proof of harm, including financial loss, directly caused by their negligence. Under UK law, I have the right to speak truthfully about my own experience, defend my reputation when attacked, and expose conduct that affects the public interest. If they choose to pursue this further in court, I'll welcome it. I'll welcome it with open arms, because that's where facts matter. And I will not be intimidated by bullies masquerading as legal professionals. This isn't just about me. It's about platforms that claim to be helping people in the legal system while refusing to uphold their own basic standards of fairness. It's about transparency, accountability, and the right to protect your name when others try to destroy it. I've helped thousands of people over the years, and I won't let a group of dishonest, petty individuals rewrite that legacy with lies. To find a McKenzieFriend.com, you had years to get this right. You chose silence. You chose negligence. And now you've chosen threats. Let me save you the effort. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you had a similar experience, speak up. Don't let the cowards with keyboards control your truth. And do you know what makes me laugh even more? I was upset by the reviews, but I knew they were false. So I didn't have to make any sort of, I didn't get too upset by it. I didn't take it personally because I knew they were real reviews. These people now know that I'm speaking the truth. And because I'm speaking the truth, they want to silence me. If you choose to do business with findamckenziefriend.com, make sure you know exactly who you're dealing with, because I can see reviews on their website. It's all 5 stars for them who work there personally. But the very same people, you go to Trustpilot, which is a much more reputable review strategy place, and they're not speaking so highly of them then, are they? So why is that? Is that because they get to select when the reviews go live and when they don't? I had a person leave me a positive review, This is after I've taken down my account. They phoned that person up to check if it was real. They didn't phone any people up to check if the bad reviews were real, did they? But the positive reviews, they phoned up to check if it was real or not. These people should not be allowed to run websites like that. And I welcome the opportunity to take this up in court, because you will get buried. And I will have a letter, and I've got a letter ready to get sent to them, and it'll be somewhere along this video when this video goes live.